This incident occurred in the area of 17th Avenue and Van Buren Street when a convenience store employee called 911. The employee reported a number of customers told him about a man outside with a gun who was threatening to rob the store. The man was later identified as 32-year-old Gary Sherrod. Here's the audio from the 911 call, which was placed at 11:28 p.m.
Phoenix 911, where's your emergency?
It's on 17th West Van Buren.
17 West Van Buren. Is this a business?
Yes,
Okay, what's going on?
there's a guy with a gun outside around the corner talking about he's going to rob the place. And I've had a couple customers come up to me saying that I don't know if he approached my customers or my customers walked by and he's just, talking to himself out loud about it. But they said that he's flashed the gun and he's talking about robbing the place.
He has a gun in his hand?
Probably hidden, like in his waistband or something.
Okay, did you see it?
I have not seen this individual, no.
Okay. So did they see the
They
gun?
said he's around the corner. They said they did see a gun, yes. Two separate customers.
Two officers arrived on scene about 3 minutes later at 11:31 p.m. They contacted Sherrod seated outside the store. Sherrod stood up and officers noticed he had a gun in his hand. The two officers gave multiple commands for Sherrod to drop the gun, which he ignored. Sherrod held the gun with his left hand, moving it around in different directions. The officer who fired told investigators Sherrod pointed the weapon in his direction, which resulted in the officer-involved shooting. Other officers arrived immediately after the shooting and helped take Sherrod into custody. The time from when officers contacted Sherrod to the officer-involved shooting was just over 1 minute. Here's the body-worn camera video from the officer who fired his duty weapon.
Hey, drop the gun, dude. Drop the gun, dude. Drop it, dude. Drop the gun. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun, dude. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Drop the gun, dude. Five 13, John. We're gonna need more units. Yeah.
Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! What the fuck?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Here's the body-worn camera video from the second officer.
Hey, let me see your hands! Get your hands out of your pocket. Sit down. Have a seat. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! 15 John, one at gunpoint. Drop the gun! You move that gun, you're gonna get shot!
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Drop the gun! Drop it!
Drop the gun, dude!
Drop it! You raise that gun, you're done! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! You got him? I'm gonna go to cover. Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! 515 John, 998.
After the shooting, officers could see Sherrod no longer had the gun. It was on the ground, out of his reach. They moved in to detain him and provide medical aid until the Phoenix Fire Department arrived. Sherrod was transported to a local hospital to receive treatment for the gunshot wound. Sherrod is expected to survive his injuries and upon release from the hospital will be booked into jail. The handgun used by Sherrod was recovered on scene and determined to be a pellet gun.